The first thing to note on this angles question is next to the question number we have an asterisk, which means that we're looking for a quality of written communication question. That's basically saying that we have to explain very clearly every stage of our working out for how we got the answer, and if we don't, we can't get full marks even if we get the correct answer. And that's supported down here with give reasons for each stage of your working. Now, what we can also see is that here we have some parallel lines, and we know that generally speaking with parallel lines in geometry we're looking for alternate angles by looking for Z shapes, or we're looking for corresponding angles by looking for F shapes. The first thing I can note here, looking towards the only angle in the question that we currently know, is that I've got a Z shape there, even though it's going backwards, and so the angle on the corner here is going to be equal to the angle on the corner here. So I have a 70-degree angle there. Obviously when we go to explain this in a minute, we're not going to use the term Z, we're going to use the term alternate angle. Separately now, we have here between points F, C and B a triangle. More importantly, we know that this triangle is isosceles because it's been annotated there. What we know about an isosceles triangle is that the angles at the bottom of the same length sides are equal in size. So if this angle here is 70, then this angle here is also 70. Our final stage then can lead us to angles in a triangle summing to 180 degrees. So we now know that 70, which is this angle here, plus 70, this angle here, plus x, which is the angle we're trying to find, will equal 180 degrees. So 70 add 70 is 140, plus something we don't yet know gives us 180, so x is going to equal 40 degrees. Before you think we're finished, let's come back to that QWC and give reasons for each stage of your working. We now have to write down everything we've just explained. So let's go back to the first angle we found. We can say that angle CBF, because we're looking at angle B here, which is round the angle point here, but between points C and F, so C coming together with F at point B, angle CBF is 70 degrees because it's, and let's remember the key term here for a Z angle, because it's alternate with angle, and let's remember how we can label this angle here, EFB, so with angle EFB. So that would be our first give a reason for a stage of our working out. We can then say isosceles triangle CBF means that angles CBF, which we just talked about, and let's call this angle here, so we need to have a think about how we're going to name this one, BFC are equal. Finally, angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So CBF plus BFC plus X equals 180 degrees.